Hey everyone, it's Mike. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it. It really helps the channel out. So today I'm going to show you how to activate night shift on your iOS device. It's really simple, so let's get started. I'm just going to unlock my iPhone quickly. Next, we're going to go into our settings app. Then locate display and brightness. Select that option and open it, and when you get here, you'll see the option for night shift. Select it again. You have two options. You can either do a scheduled night shift, and what that means is during that time, night shift will activate automatically, or you can do a manual night shift. And what that means is when you do a manual night shift will activate only when you press it and will turn off only when you turn it off. Now at the bottom, what you'll see is the option for the color temperature. And what that means is you can set the intensity of your night shift. Now if you select more warm, the color spectrums on your device will change from blue to a more yellow, warmer color. Now if you transition from more warm to less warm, what's going to happen is your color spectrums of your device will go from a warm yellow color to a more cool blue color. And that's it. So you have two options to activate your night shift. You can either do it manually or you can do it scheduled. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video and let me know what else you want to learn. Now if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell right next to it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.